Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do an unboxing. This is a ring light. I bought one yesterday and I will try it today. I bought it with the tripod as well. So let's see. EJ, say hi. Sabi mo. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. Please like and subscribe.
Yay! Are you watching na there? So, I will open the tripod first. Are you happy?
Yeah.
This is the tripod. Here, this one. I bought this because I'm going to take a video tomorrow. EJ? For my next video, but I'll upload this first. It looks like this. I'll just take a video later. So I set up the tripod. It looks like this. It's like this. Sorry guys, magulo. Look like this. And the stand, it can go up to 6 feet if I'm not wrong. So that one. So now I will open the ring light. I bought this one because I'm into makeup lately. So it looks like this. It's this ring supplementary down. So 3 colors: white light, soft light, and warm light. So I'll open it. It looks like this. So ito na naman yung guys. Ito yung ring light. Ito yung remote. Tapos yung saksakan. And then this one, the phone holder. This. So I'll set it up, then show it to you guys. So, ito siya kalaki. I think 10 inches yung height saka yung maong at. So, try ko siyang i-set up sa tripod. Ito siya. Kapalit kita hindi extend yung height. Ito yung tutorial. This one, stretchable siya, bend siya. If gusto mo ibahin yung position ng camera. So hanggang 6 feet to guys, at 5 flat na. So, that's it. Try natin siya isa-isa. Here's the remote with battery na siya. So, that's it. So, it's too bright, so night mode. There's a night mode option. Light. This is soft light. And this is warm light. So guys, 3 colors siya. I will just take a picture para makita niyo yung difference kapag ang gamit ko is yung light only, soft light, saka warm light. Kung anong effect niya sa picture. This one, na-adjust siya. Ganyan. If you want it to be landscape, your phone na lang dito. So, this portrait gusto mo mag-TikTok, pwede mong gamitin. Then this one, it can be bend as well if mag-shoot ka sa baba or gusto mo sa taas or naka-side or whatever. That's. So guys, ayun na yung unboxing. So stressful siya. I will just show you. Yun siya. Yun siya. This is white light. Ganyan yung itsura niya sa picture. So, kapag ang gusto niya is soft light, which is white, pero medyo brighter, saka may yellow color, orange color. That's soft light. Pero hindi, mild lang, hindi super. It will look like this. So, if gusto niya mas bright, this is soft light. Pero pwede siyang bawasan if it's too bright. That. Binawasan ko yung brightness, pero parang mas maliwanag pa rin siya. This is soft light. And I'll show you warm light. This is warm light. Parang yung effect niya is orange. So, parang if bet mo na mag sun kiss, parang mas mukhang nasa labas yung itsura. Tata. Warm light. I will just take photos as well para makita niyo sa videos and pictures yung difference ng tatlong color. So, that's it. That's it, guys. Bye! Thank you for watching kahit sobrang mess up.